All right, it's Tuesday. Every day is a day to celebrate birthdays. Tuesday, no exception. We're beginning in Frontenac with Lawson Schropp turning 5 years old. Lawson, happy birthday.
And we've got Jagger Wilson celebrating birthday number 5 this year. This is one of our marketing consultant, Zach Wilson's sons. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
We've also got Kennedy Dooley in Columbus turning 6 today. Happy birthday to you, Kennedy.
All right, she's got a lot of flowers there. That's pretty awesome. And let's see, we've got Roscoe Harrell celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Here he is, pictured going into the Marvel Cave for the first time.
Well, caves are always exciting. We've also got Keaton Carnell turning 10 in Erie. A very happy birthday to you, Keaton.
All right, and Ariana down in Wyandotte celebrating birthday number 11 this year. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Ariana.
And then we've got some twins in St. Paul, Daniel and Hayden Sinclair turning 12 years old today. Double the party down in St. Paul. Happy birthday to you, Daniel and Hayden.
All right, out in Gerard, Tyrell Humble celebrating Sweet 16 this year. Lovely picture of you, Tyrell.
And we've got Monica Clark turning 27 in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you, Monica.
And it's birthday time for JJ Carrlinger. Happy birthday, JJ, in Pittsburgh.
And we've got David Carr turning 69 in Gerard yesterday. So another double party, because David gets to celebrate both days because we're celebrating today too. And this comes with love from the family.
All right, in Oswego, Tyler and Holly Dryling are celebrating 25 years of wedded bliss. Congrats to the Drylings.
And our very own Yana Hatullah is she's celebrating a birthday. Her age is a secret. We'll have to figure it out. But very happy birthday to you, Yana, as you celebrate your birthday today.
What a pretty picture of her there, too. All right, we love having you here, Yana. All right, hope you have a wonderful day today. And also on our birthday list, we have Tammy creviceston celebrating birthday number 53 this year in Iola. And the Mercer twins, Rex and Randy from Columbus, are partying down in the bus today. They're turning 56.